am Emily. Let's meet Anna, who flew in from Australia for a custom 3D printed rhinoplasty with Dr. Mankun Su. Let's hear her story.
Hi, my name's Anna. I'm from Australia. I came to JW to get my short nose correction done by Dr. Sa. I chose JW plastic surgery because of my sister. So my sister is a registered nurse back in Australia, and so am I. And she did an extensive research done on who to do the operation on her nose. She got her nose previously done back in Australia, but she was unhappy with this result. And she came across on Dr. Sa's work and all his research. And she loved Dr. Sa's work. And so she flew to Korea and got her nose done. And I saw the result and I wanted it. And plus, my sister did the legwork, and yeah, whatever my sister does, I do because she does a lot of research in, in medical way and aesthetic.
Okay, Anna. Okay, today your nose will be, nasal bridge will be colored by, I'm gonna put diced cartilage and from your rib cartilage, and it is kind of glued diced cartilage. We already manufacture the mold to fabricate your diced cartilage, so your nasal bridge will be taller. And one of the most important advantages of glued diced cartilage is the absorption rate is very minimal, nearly zero.
Ah.
Yes, and it is much safer material than the silicone implant.
Yeah.
And then your nasal tube will be taller by use of your rib cartilage, and also I'm gonna reduce your base. Yeah. Okay, and so the surgery will be performed under general anesthesia, so no pain, no discomfort. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, I'm sorry, because I work in theater, so I kind of know what to expect, and I already know what you're gonna do. You told me.
Okay.
And I trust you.
Thank you very much. I will do my best for the best result.
Yeah, but I mean, I saw my sister's work. That's why I came in. Yeah.
Okay. Then we are gonna prepare for your operation, and I'm going to see you again in the operating room.
Alright. See ya.
Yeah.
Let's learn what exactly is glued diced cartilage in 3D printed mold. It involves 6 steps. The first step involves taking a high-resolution 3D CT scan of the patient's face to accurately assess the anatomical structure of the bones and cartilage. Next, the CT scan is uploaded into the dedicated INNOFIT program. This is where the real magic begins. In the INNOFIT program, the patient can customize the desired shape, height, and contour of their nose. Once the design is complete, it is reviewed and finalized in consultation with the surgeon. The next step is the 3D printing of a custom mold, which will then be used to precisely shape the cartilage for the procedure. The next step involves harvesting rib cartilage from the patient. The cartilage is then finely diced and placed into the previously 3D printed mold. Once the glued diced cartilage is prepared, it becomes the custom implant used to sculpt and refine the nose during the rhinoplasty procedure. Let's take a last look at her old nose.
So here's the air shower.
Now there's no going back. Let's wish her a successful surgery. The result in part 2. See you then.